I like the organised, but I don't like the organising. Ugh, why do they put these labels on things? Why? Oh my gosh, yes, that's so cute. Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna be reorganising this mess. I have been putting it off and off for absolutely ages. I've got new storage containers and I want to put all my Lush bubble bars, bath bombs, shower gels, like literally everything in. So then of an evening I can come grab it, take it into the bathroom. I've not got loads piled up in my bathroom, it's just all in one place. I also want to try and put some of my fragrances on there as well if I can. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to fit everything. I've got 4 shelves overall, but it is just rammed full of crap at the moment. It has just become a dumping ground. And I told myself, my partner has gone out today. He's taken the little one to the in-laws. So I have a few hours. So I was like, get this done, hopefully get a bit of tidying and cleaning done, and then hopefully I can chill for a little bit. Might edit this video. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm dreading this. I hate organising, I really do. Like when I was at work and stuff, I used to love it. I used to make sure the surgery was like really clean, tidy, everything was organised in its right place for me and the dentist. But at home, I just can't bloody stand it. It just, I hate it, hate it, hate it. I like the organised, but I don't like the organising. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Right, I'm gonna have to try and position this camera a little bit better. I don't know, there's so much stuff to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it all off, strip it completely, and then re-put everything on. The boxes, like the PR boxes, as much as I love them, I think some of them are gonna have to be archived. And I'm gonna just rotate the newest few, I think, and then keep the others in storage for like reminiscent purposes, you know. I would never throw them away because they mean so much to me. So yeah, so hopefully most of it is going to be products, fragrances, and a couple of PR boxes for decoration and some other decorative bits. But anyway, I'll stop rambling and we'll just get straight into it. Okay, so it's probably going to be a montage of me stripping this all off now, and then we'll get started. It's literally so dusty, I'm just going to give it a wipe over. So I have these clear tins, what are they called? Perspex. Oh my god, organisers. Currently been storing fragrances in there, so I'm gonna lay these out on there and then we'll decide where we want everything to go. I was hoping I could fit 2 on each shelf, but they're a little bit too big, so that is a little bit of a pain in the arse. I think I'll bring you closer and then we can do it close up. Right, so I'll do the top 2 shelves first. Ugh, why do they put these labels on things? Why? You don't need it. I can see it's a storage container. Just yeah, there we go, that works. Turn it the other way around. No, okay, so I'm gonna do fragrances on the top. I'll do bubble bars, bath bombs here, some sort of decorative crap here. So I've got some bubble bars and bath bombs in this tub. I'm just gonna put them in this one. I have some loosey-gooseys that I've stupidly not bagged up, so we're gonna have to bag those up. I'm hoping I've got some more clear bags somewhere, but I mean, I don't know if I do. But bath bombs this side, bubble bars this side. I have another one of these, I'll pop that in there as well. I have to pop that one in loose for now. I don't know if I have more bags, I've only got 1. Okay, then this box is shameful, like, it's really messy. It's just a Minecraft PR one and it's got, Christ, loads of random crap in there. Got a bit of a bubble bar from a kitchen box previous. Forgot I had this one. It's an Alphaba broomstick. I hate this one. It's a seaside bubble bar from last Father's Day. I might just get rid of that. Some of these are so old. Charlie Hoarder. I think that was a Dragon's Temple one or something from, is it a kitchen box like a year ago? I have an old-ish Lord of Misrule bath bomb, which I don't know how well that's going to fare. I mean, let's just put it in there. A broken Christmas post box. That's just not appealing, is it? Can we hide you? I have another Mother Christmas. Where did she go? Can we fit you both in there? Sure can. I have a spare bag, but it is dirty, and I don't know how much I can be asked to clean that out, I'm not gonna lie, right now. I will though, I will. Got a few more older bath bombs, bubble bars, which I do need to use up. This is why I'm glad I'm doing this, because I'll be able to see what's in here. I'm getting really worried this whole video is going to be out of focus. Like my new camera, I'm sort of bending down in and out of focus, and I don't know how to like manual focus this. I don't know. Please help. I don't know. Okay, so they're all sorted in there. Let's put something here. Let's put that there. I've got a couple of melts. I'll just pop those there for now. In this one, I'm going to pop shower gels, I think. And then on the shelf above, I'm going to go back to that in a minute. And I think I'm going to do the, crikey, it's taking it out of me. These shower jellies. And I think I'm going to put my massive shower jelly next to it. So it's, oh, can't get my words out. So it's like a shower jelly shelf. That's annoying, isn't it? Okie dokie, well that's a good fit, isn't it? So that's pretty much filled that one, and then this one I think I'm gonna put scrubs in, so I'm gonna go grab all my scrubs and then we'll move on to the shower gels. So these pots have been in my shower, so I'm giving them a wipe over, but some of the labels and stuff have come off because of the water. This is partly why I wanted to do this, was because I don't like my labels getting ruined, and they do, because obviously, like I said, they're in the shower. What should I do here actually? Because I've got scrubs, slimes, and I've got sugar scrubs, salt scrubs, and slimes. So I might do them in 3. So I'll do sugar here, salt, and then slimes here. Oh, I've got body washes as well, haven't I? Body washes might have to join slimes, maybe. So that's the bottom shelf at the moment. Shower gels, scrubs, slimes, washes, and such. Let's move up to this one and we'll do the jellies. Put these suckers in there. Okay, so all of those are in there. Okay, so then next to that I'm going to put my massive jelly. So it's a jelly shelf. That's like my vibe, isn't it? Woohoo. Cute, cute, very cute, like that a lot. I've also found another serpentine bath bomb. I forgot I had this. I need to use it. It's feeling a little hollow. I have decorative soaps that I used to put on, but I don't know how I feel about them now. Like, oh, should I put them in there? Oh my gosh, yes, that's so cute. Adorable. Okay, for the top shelf, I figured I won't put fragrances on there. I will put a couple of decorative boxes, because the way, I didn't realise how big these containers were, and the way it's done now, I can't fit a lot of decorative items on, and I do like doing that. I'm also going to move these, I think, down like each side. So I'll pick my 2 favourite boxes, put them on the top, and then we'll archive the others, and then if I get any more Lush PR, then I'll probably swap them out for the newest ones, so it's up to date, you know. So we're going to put the Shaun the Sheep back on, because that was the most recent one. I used to have them this way, but I don't know, it just looks messy, so I might turn them around so you can just see that on the back, which is nice. And then, I mean, this isn't PR, this is a Lush kitchen box, but visually I really like this one. It's checkered and green goo, and that's just like me. No, not the green goo part, but the checkered part. So I'm going to pop this one on here as well. Looks a little cluttered, that, doesn't it? Straight instead? Yes, straight. That's better, isn't it? And then I do store some stuff in this little posh chocolate box, so I'm going to put that on the top as well. And then this human rights shower was Shall I? No. We'll put that somewhere else. Found another bubble bar. So I do just still have some random bits which don't fit into any category. So I've got like a marshmallow wash, some lotions. Actually, the lotion I might put at my bedside table. Lotions, I don't usually have a lot of Lush lotions on the go. I use 1 or 2 at a time, use it up, then get another. So I don't need a dedicated area for that. I've got some dusts, some conditioners, just some random bits. So I'm going to put them in, this is empty, so I'm going to put them in here. I have loads of like PR bits which I haven't organised yet because I just honestly use this as a dumping ground. So I've got my little folder where I keep all these little memorabilia pieces that I'll pop in there, but I'm probably not going to put the folder back on the shelf because I think it'll make it look a bit messy. So this is the folder. It might be pretty lame to some people, but I don't know, it means a lot to me. I started this ages ago. You've probably seen it in my other ones when I've reorganised this shelf before, but I just put PR and stuff in the back. And then in the front, I keep like Lush Kitchen and Lush Fresh and Flowers things and stuff. So I'm gonna pop all that in there. Then I'll show you my bed in a minute. I don't know where I'm gonna put all this now because I've taken everything out of my bathroom, put it on the shelf. Now there's space in my bathroom, there's no space in my bedroom. So I'm like, I've just found some massage bar tins and stuff in the bathroom as well. So I'm gonna wipe these over and pop them in that box too. I mean, the bathroom looks a lot tidier now. Like, it was all organised in there, in shelves in the shower and stuff. And I think my partner's going to be a bit like, because he does actually really like it in the bathroom. He's like, it looks really nice. But I feel like it looks nicer in here, so. Sorry, Barry. So this is currently the bed situation. So I've got all this stuff on here that I need to, I'm going to flat pack it all. And I've got a little area behind my wardrobe that I'll just stuff it behind there for now. Because I can't be arsed, I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to finish all this, then I'll come back and show you the shelf at the end. So I'm going to pop some fragrances on this one. This was in the bathroom previously and it had my shower jellies on it. So I've just wiped it off and I'm going to put some fragrances on there. Some of them I'm not going to put on there because I still need to do a video on them. And there's a few that, I mean, it does get sunny in here, but where the perfumes are, it is shaded. So I think they'll be okay, but I'm going to keep the boxes anyway because I may end up putting them back in there just to keep them like smelling good and not dissipating because of the heat and what have you, because it is getting a bit warmer in the UK now. Actually, I might put these ones here because they're really pretty. Oopsie. That'll be my fat ass. So I've got some Dossier ones. I'm going to pop those. I suppose they'll need to go down the front, won't they, really? Again, these are in clear, so I'm a bit concerned about those too, but I've got quite a few more from Dossier. So those are in the box at the moment, because again, I need to do a video on those ones too, but those for now, we'll test them. If they start going funny, then I will put them back in the box, because I don't want any of them to ruin. This Kylie one, I am just going to keep in the box, because it is the one in the clear container. This one is in this container, obviously, so I'll keep that. That one can come out because it's obviously covered, it's not clear. Okay, Ollie. And then again, these gaps will be filled. I've got a random Brittany one. Let's put Brittany in there. And then I've also got loads more Brittany ones I need to do a video on. So that'll do for now for that. And then I've got my Lush ones here as well next to the thing. So I'll take you on a tour in a sec. We'll have a little tour, shall we? Okay, so I'm happy with the shelf. Top shelf, a couple of PR boxes, another PR box, bubble bars, bath bombs, some decorative bits, some bits I want to sell. Big shower jelly, all the other shower jellies, and some little soaps as decoration there. And then down here we've got all the shower gels, scrubs, slimes, and body washes. Lush fragrances, which I've just left there, but that's where they were previously, and then some other fragrances there as well. So that is my little reorganising video. I say little, I think I've got like an hour and a half's worth of footage. I don't even know what the time is now. When did Barry and the baby leave? Oh God, I don't even know when they left. A little over an hour maybe. No, perhaps more than that. When did I feed him? 2? Maybe an hour and a half. Yeah, probably an hour and a half ago, because I pretty much was ready by the time when they left. I scooted straight up here, straightened my hair, started filming. So this is a bit of a mess as well. I need to tidy. I have tidied that actually, that was even worse. I'm glad that bit's tidied as well, but it needs a good hoover, it needs a wipe down, it needs rearranging, but that's another day's job, you know? So I'm gonna go downstairs now. I might have a little coffee, that'll be nice. I'm on a Sex and the City marathon again. I love Sex and the City. I've watched all of the series. I'm on the movies now. I'm on the second movie halfway through, and then I'm going to do Just Like That after as well. So I might watch a bit of that, do some editing, have a coffee, and then maybe I'll have a couple more hours to myself, hopefully. I love my family, I do, but a little bit of alone time is always needed. I thoroughly hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.